Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, January 10th, 2025. Welcome to Tim the Trader Live Trading Room, coming from the world headquarters here in Alpharetta, Georgia, where it has been snowing for the last several hours. We've got about 5 inches of snow out here. I know all my Atlanta subscribers and neighbors here. You probably have snow in your neighborhood as well. It's a big deal for us. I know for a lot of you it's not, who get snow regularly, but for us it's a big deal. The city just shuts down for a week and it's just a big holiday for us. So we've got that. But anyway, welcome. And here is last Wednesday's charts and trades that we had. And we had some real nice trades. Anyway, came back Wednesday afternoon, of course, and traded and made some more trades and did not include it on this because I'd already prepared this to go out earlier in the day, but actually ended up plus 135 on Wednesday. So it was a great day. Let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and get rid of that and bring up our current charts. And there we are. We're currently sitting at 510.96. I don't think we have a gap play this morning. Let's head over to, let me get rid of that. Let me head over to the option chain where we are trading Monday's expiration. That is January 13th, 2025. We already have 1.8 million in pre-market volume. So a lot going on there. And we will start at the money, 511 on the call side, 510 on the call side, 511 on the put side. Like that. Let me let Kathleen in. And I see Keith is here. I thought Keith was going to be at a vet appointment this morning, but he's here. So let's all say good morning to Mr. Keith. Good morning, Keith.
Good morning, Tim. Yeah, they were speedy to get me in and out of there quick this morning.
Wow.
We had a number of labor announcements coming out at 8:30 this morning, and the big thing is the unemployment rate went down a little bit. So that for the economy, that's good, but the market didn't like that aspect. We will have a Michigan consumer sentiment report coming out at 10 o'clock for the pop, as well as their 5-year consumer inflation expectation report at 10. No other reports today and no bond auctions today, but that'll be it for today. Yep.
Okay. Well, that is quick. Let me just see something here. It's January 13th. So let me set my active trader up. There we go. Make sure everything is set up with 20 cents between each of your hash marks. As you see here, very important to do that so that every day we're looking at the same size candles from day to day. We've had a very, very good week so far. Another good week. In fact, it's been great since the beginning of the year. So we'll hopefully continue that this morning, get some good trades in. What else? What else can I tell you? That's it. Already went on about the snow here. Um, Coming up on 30 seconds away. See what the markets are doing. As soon as we get in, we'll see what the markets are doing. Got a good full house in today. Okay, it's 20 seconds. There's 15. And there's 10. Stand by. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're in. And we're off. Yeah, there was a big dive at around 8:30. Markets just dove. You can see that long red candle there. Um, it just dove right down. Yeah, my chart times are still off. That's weird. I switched all that yesterday. All right, getting some push down here. All right, so Dow is down 222, NASDAQ is down 175, S&P is down 39. So looks like we'll be looking for some puts today. And over on the option chain, it will be at the 511 on the call side. Yeah. And 510, excuse me, 510 on the call side, 511 on the put side. If you find that too expensive, you can always go into today's expiration. Continuing a bit of a push down here. Let's get that up, that up.
Just drop below Wednesday's close or Wednesday's low, excuse me.
Okay. No real bounce back yet. Now it's just starting to get a little bit of reversal going. This is why we wait a few minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, unless it's just a really obvious breakout. I just got to notice that my internet is unstable, so my voice may be a little weird at times.
So far, so good.
Okay, good.
You always get worried about getting into trade if it's the internet's unstable, though.
Yeah. Well, the warning's gone away, so hopefully. So we're getting a big reversal back over VWAP. Already up to 2.6 million in the underlying. Dow is down 341 now. NASDAQ down 204. S&P down 49. Just stay patient. Wait for our breakout. Price coming back up to VWAP.
So the general report is the stocks tumbled Friday after a much hotter than expected jobs report sent yields spiking, as it likely means the Fed Reserve will halt its rate cutting campaign.
There it is. So far, our low volume is over 100,000. All right. Staying prepped on that 511 on the put side.
I put a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5 minute candle.
Okay.
Yeah, boy, big volume here on each of the 1 minute candles.
Yeah. All right. So then Tracy. Still kind of hanging out in a range here. Got over 3 million, 3.5 million already traded on the underlying. Dow down 272, Nas down 233, S&P down 48. Probably going to go to the 511 on the put side, guys. 511. Now it's a bit expensive. Again, if it's too expensive, you can always go into today's expiration. Stand by on this 511 on the put side. All right, I'm going to go ahead and enter this 511. Oh, blew right by me. Going back to the 511. All right, got in that time. Got filled at 449.
Wow, I got filled at 466.
Wow. All right, stand by to take some profit here. Let's go ahead and just take some profit here. There we go. Out at 477. 449 to 477.
I got out at in at 466, out at 487.
Okay.
Plus 26.
Nice.
Yeah. Wow, the other one I did 467 to 498. Wow.
Oh, nice. All right, going back. I'm going to go back to the 510 on the put side. Maybe. Stand by. All right, I'm going to re-enter this 510. And filled at 429.
I think I'm going to pass on this one. I'm getting
Okay.
pretty darn low on the MACD and getting some long wicks on the bottom side. I'll be right back, Tim.
Okay. There we go. 445, 429. Standby. Take some profit. Oh,
So it passed me right by on the first time. Is it worth trying to go in again or not at
I
this
wouldn't.
point?
I wouldn't at this point.
Okay.
I'd wait for it to reverse back down.
Okay.
Okay. Just remember your stops.
You still in that put, Tim?
I am. Came within a couple cents of my out and didn't trigger.
There we go. Come on down for him. Come on.
Yeah. Come on down.
What was your entry price?
Got in at 429.
Oh, okay. Getting close there.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we've only had like one candle so far that's been below 100,000.
Yeah.
Excuse me, you were going down, Mr. Tick?
Yeah.
You get a crossover on the MACD and the Heikin-Ashi chart.
Mm-hmm. Got a nice demand zone set up down here.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's put that in.
You make it out to the grocery store to empty all the milk, bread, and toilet paper.
Uh-huh.
Whereas some people up here do the beer, pretzels, and toilet paper.
I've got a good friend of mine's butcher at the local Kroger called me yesterday afternoon and said, "You better get in here if you haven't. Stuff's flying off the shelves." So that is just typical of this area.
Yeah, same here. Same here. We're only supposed to get about an inch out of this, though. Maybe.
Mm. Well, you still have snow from the other day, right?
Oh yeah. Oh
Yeah.
yeah. There you go. You get out yet?
Uh, Here we go. Stand by. Let's go ahead and get out. There we go. Out at 4:55.
Good.
4:29 to 4:55.
Fantastic.
Plus 11.
Sorry,
Plus 11 on that one.
plus 11. Okay. All right. And I got a note here. Let's see. This is from our good friend Alpha. Alpha Entries. Navid. 339 to 405. Nice. Just made about 1,000 on my Pop Firm account. Very nice. Very nice, sir.
Wow. Wasn't expecting this quick pull, long
Boy,
pull.
no kidding. All right, going back to 509 on the put side.
Wow, even that's expensive.
Yeah. Oof. Yeah, maybe go to the 508 on the put side.
Back these down to 1.16. Pretty low.
Indeed. Wow, it's a long 5-minute candle.
Yep. Could just get a long green one right next to it, too.
Yeah. We're up over 6 million, just crossed over 6 million.
Oh, yeah. Good volume today.
Very good volume today.
Everybody's trying to make up for yesterday with the market closed yesterday.
Yeah, really. See, if we do end up on the call side, I'm going to go to the 507 on the call side. If we do get a decent reversal here.
As red as the market is, though, I would like to see it go back up, reset, and then get into another put.
Yeah.
Tim, it didn't go much past the demand zone, did it?
Not a, well, fair amount.
Yeah, quite a bit below it. Maybe setting up for a new demand zone there, though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely showing some weakness on those wicks.
Mm-hmm. We may not get our reset here.
No. May just, Tim, want to remind people about booking their room by today, too.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, our block of rooms at the special price runs out today. So if you're thinking of coming, you don't have to commit any money to it at this point. You just have to get it booked. The room, that is. Okay, and I just posted the number for the Even Hotel booking phone number. Just posted that in the chat room, in the chat box. If you need the phone number, it is there.
And this is a different place than we've been the last two times, correct?
Yes,
Okay.
this is right across the street
Oh, okay.
from Avalon, so we can still go and play at Avalon.
Okay.
In fact, we will have our dinner at Avalon. Got some great stuff lined up for our meeting this year. Some great speakers, some new stuff to learn. Really excited about this year's. I'm excited about all of them.
Yeah.
But this year will be a good year. Very, very appropriate content that we're going to be presenting this year. So we're just going sideways in a pretty much tight little range right here, waiting for this to break out. So Dow is down 379, Nas is down 312, S&P is down 70. So pretty much down market, pretty much waiting on another downturn in pricing. We are getting a reset on our 1 minute MACD.
So we move that demand zone down. It's not a great agreement, but those last two 5-minute candles move a little
Yeah,
bit.
I'm gonna hold off on that a little bit, see if we get a bit better one.
Good morning, Keith. Good morning, Tom. Everyone, good morning.
Hey,
Morning,
Israel.
May I say something? The fires over here are really bad. And if you can donate to the Red Cross,
Okay,
it'll be a big help.
absolutely.
I'm so sorry, Israel. How close are you?
Right around the block.
Oh gosh, praying for you.
Yeah, Israel, our prayers here too are going out to you and all those in Southern California. It's just horrible tragedy.
Thank you.
And we've got about 1 minute and 45 seconds till the pop at the top,
Okay.
sneaking up on us here.
Mm-hmm. So we're getting a fairly decent reset on our MACD. Not looking for a call trade at this point, certainly not this close to the pop anyway. Okay, we got less than 30 before the pop at the top. A slight little breakout to the top side here. Doesn't look like that's going to last.
Here's the pop.
There it is. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Keith, why didn't you tell me? I could buy up put here. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Well, just hold on because it often retreats right back. Wow, that was quite a pop.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to head over to the put side, to the 506 on the put side. I'm going to enter this. Got filled at 383.
I did the 507 puts, got in at 422.
Okay.
What expiration are you buying?
Monday's expiration.
Okay. That's what I thought. I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to take some profit here, get out of this.
Yeah, let's go ahead and take some profit here, guys. There we go. Out at 403, 383 to 403.
I got 422 to 448.
Okay.
Tim, actually, I need your help on Thinkorswim. I'm using another account,
Uh-huh.
new account. So this one, if I click, then it comes, click, then second is come confirm and send. Then
Yeah.
if I click confirm and send, then another window comes.
Yep.
You know,
Yep.
so how can I close that third one?
Yep. So we need to have a quick key set up. Are you going in on the option chain?
Yeah.
Yeah. Need to set up a quick key on the option chain to do that. And if you will, I can show you real quick right after trading how to set that up.
Okay, that'll be great. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, just hang out after trading, and I'll
Okay.
show you how to set that up.
Thank you.
Yeah, cannot have those confirmation windows come up.
After doing that, I got so scared because it just third time I have to click. So then I just put my contract one.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. No, I'll show you how to fix that. So it's a one click in and one click out.
By the way, remember on Wednesday I was having problems getting out of the one trade, and I called Thinkorswim up and found out it's occasionally there's a glitch in their active trader that when I click on the ask column, it doesn't know whether it's wants to close a position or open a new short
my God.
position.
Oh, that's not good.
So it rejects it.
Uh,
So they said they can fix it so it automatically fills, but if I have two orders in, it won't. There's no safeguard in it, so I could be short a position. I said no, don't do that.
Yeah.
So they said get rid of your. If you run into problems on that, get or close out the or uncheck the what do they call it? Give me 1 second here. What do they call it? Where's my mouse?
The auto send?
The auto send.
Yeah.
And then you can see whether, make sure it's closing.
Okay.
You know, it only happens to me maybe once in 100 trades or something like that. So it isn't very often. And I was eventually able to close it out fine, but anyway,
Yeah.
that was the explanation.
Okay. Now that makes sense. I've heard about there being an occasional glitch in AT before. Wow. Look at this.
Today, because of this, I missed 2 trades, and now third one, I say, you know what? I'll click it anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, well, look at that. I didn't see what the report was. Let me look that up here.
Plus 28 on that last put.
Oh, nice. Nice
Fantastic.
job.
Michigan sentiment came out just a little bit less than anticipated, not by much though.
Mm-hmm.
And the inflation expectations, though, last month the 5-year expectations was 3%. Now it's 3.3. So that's quite a change from last month.
Hmm.
I think that's a lot to do with the hot jobs market that came out today.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So anyway, maybe explain what we're seeing here. But the market maker certainly in the last week has taken advantage of filling their warehouses a lot. That's for certain.
Yeah, no kidding. I believe price is already down to 504. I wonder if this is going to go below 500.
The
Yeah.
MACD's down to minus 1.8. What is it on the 5-minute? Golly, it's way down.
It's
Over
way
3 on the 5-minute.
Yeah.
And look
Yeah.
at that that 5-minute candle. Good golly.
That's a long, that's a long one.
Ready to do a call, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I've only gotten into 2 trades today, but they're both positive and up on the 2 accounts. I'm up 96 cents on the 2
All right.
accounts total.
Yeah. Got 3 trades in plus 74.
Great. My cats are snubbing me at the moment for having to take him to the vet and then get shots this morning.
Oh, don't like that.
No, they didn't.
All right, see if we're going to get any sort of decent reversal here. It's looking like all the pressure is still on the downside. Look at the Dow. It's down 567 now. NASDAQ down 453. S&P down 100.
Yeah.
Pretty red markets. Not expecting much in terms of a reversal here.
And again, I've stated this before, with the market being down so much, how are we making money? Because we can do puts.
Absolutely.
Hmm. 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 Just relax.
Keith, you are so right. Like most of the people say that the market goes so down, so, you will lose money.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one of the unique great things about options is our ability to make money both ways. Got a cross on our MACD, on our 1 minute MACD, getting a little relief. It's down pretty low. Not the saying it can't go lower, it just becomes exponentially harder.
I'll be back, Tim.
All righty. Again, just getting kind of stuck in a bit of a range here, what we call a messy middle. Getting a bit of a breakout to the top side here. I'll keep an eye on the 505 on the call side. Just not convinced about getting into a call with the markets down as deep as they are.
I would agree.
Let other people make some money also, Tim.
Yeah.
Or more important, let other people lose money on it.
Exactly.
So we can move that demand zone down there to the bottom.
We sure can, can't we? Maybe reaching a bit of a top here. Or not. Got 11,900,000, about to hit 12 million on the underlying. So good volume this morning, getting good price movement. Dow is down 547, Nasdaq down 355, S&P down 84. They've come back a bit from their lows. You guys, excuse me for 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Let's see, price is kind of getting into a range here.
Well, I didn't think we were going to see coming back up to VWAP anytime soon.
No. See if price is going to start to retreat here. So if we end up back on the put side, I'll probably do the 509 on the put side. All the way up to VWAP. So we are a little over an hour into the market. We've got 13,100,089 in on the underlying. Dow is still down 487, NASDAQ down 292, S&P down 72. Maybe bouncing off a VWAP here.
new supply zone.
Mm-hmm. Certainly did not expect price to rise this high off of that low.
No, I wouldn't have thought so either. Still pretty strong red day though.
Yeah, it is. So price just shy of this minor zone. Let's see if we're going to get some reversal going here. Back down to VWAP. Price right down to the penny on VWAP. Come on, get through VWAP. All right, we're going to go over the 509 on the put side. 509. This gets going. Just having some problems getting across VWAP here.
Certainly is. That's why we're patient, waiting to get it to cross.
Yeah. Now it's dropping. Let's get through VWAP. Again, having trouble getting through VWAP. All right, I'm going to go over to the 509 on the put side. 509, stand by. I'm going to go ahead and enter this 509. And filled at 374.
At 372.
And I'm going to go ahead and just take some profit here. There we go. Out at 398, 374 to 398.
So,
Plus 16.
Nice. And I'm going to go back to the 509 on the put side. And just hold it here.
there we go. I got in at 372, out at 405.
272 out at 405.
372 to 405.
Okay. Phew. I was going to say, holy smokes. Nice job. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 trades up 98. It's been a great week this week.
It has indeed, Tim.
4 trades plus 81.
Nice.
372 to 403,
There you go, Ashim.
but only one contract.
Yeah, I think I'm done trading for the day, for the week.
Yeah, I think I probably am as well.
You guys have a great weekend. I'm going to punch out for the day.
All right. Thank
Yep,
you.
me too.
Have a great
Bye.
weekend.
Hi, team.
Hey,
Okay. I share my screen. So that I need to share, or I mean, you can just.
I'm going to show you on mine here in a minute. We'll go to 11 and then I'll show you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Well, Tim, my percentages this week, I was up 80% in the one account and 65.1% in the other account.
I'd say that's been a good year so far.
Yes, sir. Yeah, for the year, the one account, I'm up 130%. And the other, I'm up, where is it here? 97%.
That's awesome. And we are just, what, 2 weeks into this year?
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
And the first week was only 2 days.
Yeah.
And this week was only 4 days. So yeah, no, I'm thrilled.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, that is awesome, man. That is tremendous. And hopefully we'll just keep this up.
Yes.
Okay, guys, that's it. It's top of the hour. We're going to go ahead and call it. I'm going to show Ashim how to set up a quick key on option, through the option chain. So I'm going to switch over my view to my option chain. Okay.
Hey, Tim, when you're done there on that, give me a shout. I got one quick question for you.
Sure.
Thanks. Have a good week, everybody. Good weekend, everybody.
Thank you.
Okay, Ashim, you see my screen?
Yes.
All right. So you're going to go up to setup, the main setup.
Main setup. Okay.
You're going to go to application settings.
Yep.
And you're going to go to general and positions. Oops, orders, I mean. Should be general and orders. You see that?
Yeah, there's orders. Okay.
There's orders.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And the only one you want clicked is auto send with shift click.
Oh, so clear order, sending,
Yeah.
show order,
Yeah. Deselect those others.
assign subgroup. Okay.
Okay.
Apply.
And then go to order defaults.
Oh, I have to open again. Okay. Okay.
And go to order defaults and options.
Okay.
And go ahead and put in the amount, default quantity of orders, how many orders you want to do.
Okay.
All right. And then apply that.
So then now what should I do? I should just click buy, ask, and then it will go, or how?
Well, what you'll do is you'll hover over the ask, you'll hold down the shift key, which will initiate the quick key, and then you click on it. So it's shift click to get in and shift click to get out, and that will avoid those confirmation pages.
Tim, I used to have, so then when I click, then it comes one confirmation, then I click confirmation, because when you say that get ready, so that time I used to click that. So then when you say I'm entering, then I used to hit confirm. So then how can I do that?
Well, it should be set up now to where, when I say stand by, just
Yes.
hover over the ask and hold down your shift key. And when I say get into the,
This is fine. Okay,
yeah.
I got it. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. You got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. And then make sure you save it under your just reset your platform.
Okay, I did it. It's saved.
Okay. So
Thank you very much.
You are very welcome, sir.
Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Change that back to there. And there we go. Okay, folks, that's it for me. I'll leave the charts up for a while. And we will see you all on Monday.